Good afternoon, everyone. I hope all of you are doing fine. Yes. So, as I had informed in my previous session, that we'll be dividing the whole chapter of algebraic expressions into two. So, the first part we have discussed already, in which we covered addition, subtraction, and we even came to know what are algebraic expressions and many more things. So, in our second part, let's see what are we gonna cover. So, basically, we are gonna cover three major topics. Let me just tell what are those three topics. The first topic which we are going to cover is multiplying expressions. Multiplying expressions. So we are going to multiply the expressions. Second, we are going to factorizing expressions. We are going to factorize them. And the third is dividing expressions. So we are going to divide the expressions. So these are basically the three things which we are going to, three topics, subtopics which we are going to cover in our algebraic expressions part 2. So let's proceed. So the first is algebraic multiplying expressions. So we are going to multiply expressions. So for multiplying expressions, we must keep few basic concepts in our minds. Let's see what are those. Those are the laws of exponents. I hope you are already aware of what are laws of exponents. For example, I hope you all know that a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. When the same base, then what's the case? And when there are different bases, what's the case? So this is the first law. A to the power m multiplied by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. A to the power m by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. A to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. A to the power n, b to the power n is equal to ab to the whole power n. A to the power n by b to the power n is equal to a by b to the whole power n. A to the power 0 is 1. That means when a is not going to be multiplied any of times, then it's 0. A by b to the whole power n is equal to a to the power n by b to the power n. This is just the reverse, right? Next, ab to the whole power n is equal to a to the power n b. Oh my god. So we have already discussed this thing actually. Yes. So alright, so few laws of the major laws of exponents you must keep in your mind. Basically all of these, but you know these two are the similar ones. So first we'll see multiplying a monomial by a monomial. Monomial means what? Expression with one term. Expression with one term. And you know what are terms? With one term. And don't worry, this time I'm not gonna confuse you. Last time as I told you that I will just check you, but no, this time it will go on in a normal way. Okay, so now x into 3y is equal to x into 3 into y, we know. So we have basically splitted this into 3 into y is equal to 3 into x into y is equal to 3xy. Next, so first I hope you understood how they have done it. So they have just brought the constant at the first and the variables they have taken, and x y. Why not yx? Because in alphabetical order also when you see, we see it's xy, right? 5x into 4x square. So what we do, we take the numerical coefficients one and the variables one side. We multiply the constants together and the coefficients together, and we multiply the variables together. So now this is the law of exponents which I had taught you. This is the law of exponent which will be applied over here. X into x square, that means this x cube, because x means x to the power 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, x to the power 1 plus 2 is equal to x cube, and 5 4 is 20, so it is 20x cube, right? 20x cube. So we are done with this. So it says coefficient of product is equal to coefficient of first monomial into coefficient of second monomial. What is the coefficient? This thing. This is the coefficient. 5 and 4 are the coefficients of these two expressions, right? So the coefficient of first monomial into the coefficient of second monomial is the coefficient of the product. That is this. This is the coefficient of product. Yes, this product is there. Its coefficient is 20. That's the thing. Another thing is to note is algebraic factor of product is equal to algebraic factor of first monomial into algebraic factor of second monomial. What is the algebraic factor? This x is the algebraic factor of this term, this expression basically. Okay, so this monomial over here, the x is the algebraic factor, and over here x square. So when we are going to multiply x into x square, we are going to use the law of exponent. X plus 2 is equal to x cube. So we got the algebraic factor of product. Example, minus 2x into 5y into 7z. So what we'll do, all the coefficients we are going to multiply, and all the variable, all the algebraic factors we are going to multiply. So answer is equal to minus 2x into 5. Are we going to take x over here? No. So minus 2 into 5 into 7, and over here into x into y into z is equal to. So now we have to even note, keep a note on the sign which is used, minus. So minus into plus, minus, minus into plus, minus. So the sign is minus. We are already aware of it. So I hope you all know when there is the multiplication of two same signs, then it's a plus, and different signs it's minus. I hope you know. For example, plus into minus is equal to minus, minus into minus is equal to plus. This I hope you all know. Yes. So minus, now 2 into 5, 10. 10 into 7, 70. Minus 70. X into y into z is nothing but x, y, z. So we have actually come up with our answer. It's minus 70 x, y, z. Right? Another. 4xy into 5x square y square into 6x cube y cube. So this thing is, we are again just gonna multiply the coefficients first into the algebraic factors. Xy into x square y square into 6x cube y cube is equal to 4 into 5. Here all the signs are plus, so basically we know that our answer will also have plus our product. So 4 5 is 20. 20 into 6 is 120. 120. Now in this you have to keep a note, all like xy, we see xy into x square y square into, not 6, x cube y cube, right? So what you're gonna do is, all these x we are gonna multiply them and get the answer, and the y we are gonna multiply them and get the answer. This also further we have to split it. For example, this, if we split it, it will be like this: x into x square into x cube, y into y square into y cube is equal to how much? X. So we have to use this formula, this law of exponent. A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n, right? So x, so same base, so base will remain the same, x, and here 1, so 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, x to the power 6. And for y the same base remains the same, here 1. If nothing is there, if the factor doesn't have any power, then it's 1, obviously, not 0, because we had seen that a to the power 0 is equal to 1. So we cannot take the power 0, we have to take the power 1. So 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. So x to the power 6, y to the power 6. So we have actually come up with our answer, that is 120 x to the power 6, y to the power 6. So we learned multiplying a monomial by monomial, right?